Sir, this has seen both a new law by Pakistan, although it has a long history of sponsoring terrorism and is known as the epicenter, the global epicenter of terrorism. This is a new law because the terrorists, as has been widely spoken about, identified the victims by religion before killing them. This has also seen a new normal in India's response and a new milestone in teaching Pakistan a lesson. Sir, this saga has been going on for 78 years, from immediately after independence, when Pakistan has been sending terrorists across the border. Many efforts have been made over the decades. Many steps have been taken, including many conciliatory steps. Steps which have involved agreements on water. Steps which have involved giving back land that has been captured. Steps that have involved returning tens of thousands of prisoners of war. These steps have seen many different aspects. We have seen bus diplomacy. We have seen many different efforts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, right from 2014, tried to reach out, tried to have an understanding with Pakistan to fight poverty together. Right from the beginning, he invited his counterpart, the Pakistani Prime Minister, for the oath-taking ceremony. He even walked into Lahore unannounced, unarmed, filled only with courage and with good intention. But that was repaid with more terror attacks on Indian soil, more Indian lives taken, with the sponsorship and the training of Pakistan. Sir, भारत ने हर बार शांति का हाथ बढ़ाया, पाकिस्तान ने हर बार आतंक का रास्ता अपनाया. This is the reality of our experience with cross-border terrorism. We have responded, sir, and it is important to point out the new normal that is now in place. We responded first with the surgical strikes. They did not relent. The Pakistanis still kept sponsoring, training, financing, sending terrorists across. We then responded with the Balakot airstrikes, and the airstrikes are a message which have continued till today. No one who kills Indians will sleep peacefully, not across the border, not even in the safety of their homes. They will be tracked down and they will be killed inside their own homes. But this time in Pahalgam, this new law which was achieved required Operation Sindoor. So they attacked tourists and we attacked terrorists. We did not target Pakistan's civilians. Our response, Operation Sindoor, was precise, it was measured, and it targeted terrorist sites. And only when Pakistan escalated did we then hit back at many more sites. Sir, this is not a reaction. This is a doctrine. This is the Modi doctrine. This is the new normal which Pakistan has now understood. Let me say this clearly, sir, that the India of today is not the India of 2008. This is very important because this turnaround, this new normal, is because of our changed policies. Sir, we must give full credit to our armed forces. The Honorable Defence Minister has pointed out their bravery, their sacrifices for the nation, and during this conflict also, what is important is, one question was asked, what about China? I have several things to say about China, but let me point out, when the Honorable Defence Minister said that the Indian Air Force bypassed and jammed air defense systems of Pakistan in 22 minutes. Those were Chinese-supplied air defense systems that were neutralized in just 22 minutes. Sir, what is not often talked about, one thing we must, of course, acknowledge is that the entire country stood united on Operation Sindoor. I'm glad that even some friends across the aisle, across the other benches today, reiterated that. But sometimes some honorable members have not been beneath taking this issue into domestic politics. I will come into that. One of the aspects that did not get talked about is that in this operation, where 11 air bases of a nuclear-armed country was hit. This is perhaps a first. This is perhaps a first that the armed bases of a nuclear-armed country was hit by India, 11 of them, and it destroyed 20% of Pakistan's Air Force assets. This is something that is worth remembering. The 9 bases of terrorists, their camps, which were neutralized, involved those of the Jaish-e-Mohammed, those of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, those of the Hizbul Mujahideen, all proscribed terror organizations who have long targeted India with the support of Pakistan. They are Pakistani based, they are Pakistani. Sir, we have talked about more than 100 terrorists being eliminated in Operation Sindoor's hit on Pakistan. It is also important to point out that at least 5 of them were very infamous